Here's my 52-inch Hampton Bay calcium fan. And guess what happened to my Cookie Monster doll? He ran in the room by himself and he jumped to the light chain and he got stuck in that screw. This one, I guess this one. The right screw. Oh, that screw right there. And the glass screw, guess what? It did not fall off. Guess what? It was burned out with Cookie Monster. My Granny pull the chain. Get that chain out the screw. Excuse me. Alright. I'm not sick. Just coughing. And Granny get that chain down and Granny turn the light on and the light bulb burned out. I didn't make a video of that. I didn't have enough storage. My daddy told me you have to delete all the videos so you can get enough storage. But I have enough storage now. Now the fan has replaced, like, I think a Hampton Bay. I think a Hunter, but it's new. But the fan makes noises. But the fan and the light is recyclable. Here's a switch for it, but it's on low right now. I turn it on low because it's getting cold and high. And medium. Medium wobbles. It's getting balanced now. I'm so happy with it. But it's got pointy blades. But guess what? The fan it wobbles a little bit on high, and the blade bracket. I heard the blade bracket broke. A year, I think 10 years ago. It's 11 years old. That's really old. But guess what? My barker needs a new switch. But it's got a rubber flywheel. Wait, that's not a rubber flywheel. That's a regular flywheel. Let me see what shape the flywheel is. Is it rubber or metal? It looks like a rubber. Soft blades. Does it feel like metal or rubber? I think it's rubber. Watch what happens on high when I hear the noise. Did you hear that? See, high is noisy. And high is so fast. Put it back to low. That's my playroom. About to move to my new house. I think we'll get a new house in August. I think in September. September 1st, I think. Or it might be September or August 31st. I don't know what month and year. Oh. Just screwing this in. There we go. It wasn't tight. And that fan glow didn't break, but Cookie Monster jumped on it. It did not break. I thought about the story about the fan. Oh, I forgot about something. The badge, the Hampton Bay badge is right there. The black thing that says Hampton Bay. That's why it's Hampton Bay. That's why it said Hampton Bay on it. It is Hampton Bay. It looks like it is Casablanca. It looks like a Casablanca Zephyr, California, or it looks like a Hampton Bay, but it is. But it looks like a Harbor Breeze fan. I thought about the story. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.